Sony has a line of portable speaker which have extra bass, and the SRS XB12 is one of them. Now this speaker is a small single transition speaker, a mono speaker, and the speaker size is about 46mm. It has a soft touch rubber body. It comes in different colors, 6 different colors, and the colors are quite interesting. All sort of pastel pinks and blues and reds. The one I checked out was a blue one. Now you can connect the speaker wirelessly through Bluetooth or wire with your aux cable. You have a USB cable that comes with the speaker and a warranty and a manual. When you look at the speaker, you'll see on the side there's a detachable rubber band. Now suppose you're going hiking or going for a trip or even going for a walk and you want to take your music, you can just pick it up, take the strap out and attach it to your bag or something of that sort, or even your wrist. But you know, while putting the button on, it's a little tedious. It also has IP67 rating, which means it's waterproof and dustproof. Sony says that you can submerge the speaker up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. You want to try that? Make sure you do it gently. You can take it in your shower, you can go play it near a swimming pool, so suppose there are some splashes, the speaker takes care of that. Now what I find really cool about the speaker is that if you have one speaker, you can connect it to another XB12. There's an option there, it says add speaker. You get something like a surround sound speaker experience. Remember, you have to connect it to an XB12, not any other Sony speaker, which is kind of a bummer. Now let's walk through the product. When you look at the speaker, you can see that it has a soft rubber body, like I said. It seems to be scratch prone. However, it's quite cute. You flip it around and you will see all the function keys. On the side you also have an aux input and a USB charging place. You see a little button there? That's a reset one. You have a power on button, you have a volume up, volume down, play and pause. When you look at the speaker, it has a sturdy rubber body, but it is scratch prone. Now the speaker consists of 2 speakers, a mono aural speaker and a passive radiator, which means you just imagine it as one speaker that brings the sound in and another speaker that brings the sound out. This is basically so that the bass gets a little bit of boost with low end tones. When it comes to the XB12, the verdict is kind of double-edged. What I mean by that is that the XB12 audio quality is decent, but it's not phenomenal. You know, it hits that sweet spot of decent, but it doesn't go all that out that I will start raving about it. Now when you go for high volumes, the audio doesn't distort, so that's a good thing. It has a good bass, but again, it's not excellent, it's not phenomenal. Sony says that you will get about 16 hours of battery life if you play it at 50% volume, which you will not, because you will need to kind of crank up the volume at say 80%, which means when the speaker comes to 20% of battery life, it's going to kind of go flatline and the volume will come down. Best thing, forget all the statistics. All you need to know is just keep charging your portable speaker and you'll be sorted. Now this speaker is when you want to, casually listen to some music, you want to sit in your room, you want to take it for a hike, we have that strap for it, but it's not something that you will take to a party. A 2-person party, 3-person party, an intimate setting, yes, but not for extreme house party music. If you want to get into more intricate details and you want to equalize the audio and all of that, you don't have an app for it, but you can always download a third-party app and sort it out. All in all, the XB12 is compact, it has good bass for its size, it's waterproof, it is dust proof, and it's quite handy.